Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at two Japanese items and an American one. Scan around as usual from the poor Bruce Lee fan. Right, let's get on with it. Here's the three magazine pamphlets, whatever you want to call them. Two Japanese and one American. Give me a second to set the tripod up. Alright, welcome back. We'll start with this Enter the Dragon one. Japanese. Outstanding, these are. Not expensive. You can pick these up fairly cheaply. Like I say, ain't got a clue what it says. Apart from Enter the Dragon. Robert Klaus, Lilo Schifrin. All the rest of it I don't know. Bruce Lee. There's a fantastic backflip, as you know, done by Young Wah, not Bruce, because he wanted acrobat. But you wouldn't have known, would you? If I wasn't told, I wouldn't have known, let's put it that way. They did a fantastic job on that. Doing the stuntman to the actor, a really good job. I'd have never known. Excellent. Very famous picture of Bruce there. Excellent. That's that one. Out of the way of the dragon one. This is the one that happens up the other way. They make some excellent stuff, I've got to admit it. These the Japanese do on Bruce. Here he is. Excellent.
Get me near. I don't care at all. Honest and brave, I will fight on. Even my heart, I know I can win. I do not fear the game of death.
Very cool images of Bruce. That's that one. Now I've got Bruce Lee Foundation presents The Art of Action. November the 13th to the 15th, 2009, Universal City, California. Excellent. Excellent little pamphlets these are. Can't really say the magazines because there's not enough pages in them, but excellent. Programs or pamphlets or whatever you call them. Excellent. Hope you enjoyed that short review of them 3 items. Have a fantastic day, Bruce fans. Join me very shortly for some more exciting items. And always remember, Bruce will never die.